DRYLOK Epoxy Floor Paint by United Gilsonite Lab. Its special formula is fortified by the advanced epoxy ester resin, which guarantees extra durability and protection. Being one part epoxy paint, it combines the unique strength of the acrylic epoxy and the ease of ordinary paint application. It goes smoothly on various surfaces like regular house paint while leaving a gorgeous semi-gloss finish. And even more, there are no strong odors to compromise your health and complicate mixing instructions. And after use, you can clean the stain off your hands with water and soap. This floor paint is known to have the highest level of water resistance. Its waterproofing element is capable of withstanding heavy downpours of rain or snow, and it's also UV resistant, which ensures that the color remains dominant against the sun and constant changing of weather conditions. The resistant level of this product makes it one of the best choices when you want extreme protection from your concrete flooring. It resists damaging chemicals, gasoline stains, grease, oil, and hot tire pickup. It can cover 300 to 400 square feet of concrete surface and dries up within 4 hours. Allow complete drying before the second coating application. Use nylon or polyester brush and 38-inch nap rollers for excellent results. It's perfect for walkways, concrete steps, basements, garage floors, laundry rooms, and other horizontal masonry surfaces.